This video is the second part of creating an item. In this video tutorial we are going to create a new arch by modifying an existing arch. So first let's go to the item image that you've modified in the first video. That should be located somewhere in your arch files. We modified this broadsword up here to become this broadsword down here. We changed the file name to add a 2 after the sword, and so now we're going to start making an arch. First, what you do is you copy the arch that was for the image that you modified. So we're going to copy this broadsword down here, and we're going to paste it down here. Now we're going to change the name and make it resemble what we did when we changed the name of the image. So we're going to add a 2 after it. Then we open it up with any word text editor. WordPad works, Notepad works. I use WordPad. The only thing you really need to change is the object name. We're going to add a 2 to that. We're going to leave the name there because that's what they're going to see when they look at the item. We're going to change the face so that it goes to this face right here. A B sword 2 face. A B sword 2. Okay. We're not going to change any of these because we don't really need to. So now we go File, Save, close out, and now we're going to make sure this works. So first we have to collect the arches. Open up the Daimonin editor. Make sure that you have reopened up the Daimonin editor before you or after you made the arch, because the Daimonin editor has to collect all the arches. So let's do that. This takes a while. It's very, very important though. If you have the Daimonin editor open and then you edit the arch and then you collect the arches without restarting the Daimonin editor, then all that it does is it collects the arches that you had when you opened it. So this is going to take a little while, so just hang on. This is the main reason why creating arches takes so long, because you can't test each individual arch at once, otherwise it would take days. So generally we go through and we create a whole bunch of arches for a whole bunch of items at one time, and then test them all at once too. Here it comes. Okay, so don't open anything. If you open anything, it won't work very well, and you'll have to close it. So go to Resources and hit Collect Arches. This takes a little while. What you can do while you're doing that is find your arch files. It should be located in C/program files/Daimonin. What it's doing now is it's collecting all the arches and putting them into these files right there. Okay, so now it's done collecting arches. What we do is we select the files, not any of the folders, leave the folders there, and we copy the files. And then we go to our server folder, right here, C/program files/Daimonin/server. Now go into lib and paste it over the files you have. If you have your server running, you'll need to restart it for the changes to take effect. And there we go. Now we will open our server here and open our client. Server's up. Okay, here comes our client. Go to your local server, 127.0.0.1. Log into your character. I'm gonna go test. Okay, here we go. And become a DM on your server and create whatever the item you made is. It should be the arch. It should be the item name, or the object name that you had in your arch. Let me show you what that is really quick. Here it is. It is this value right here. So that's what you would type for this. And there it is. Let's put it on the graph so you can see the changes. There's the changes. My broadsword. Okay, so it works, and you've actually created a new item. Good luck.